Hello traders. Due to the current difficult market, people often ask why breakout stopped working. In this video, we will discuss this topic and find a way out of this situation. Let's discuss it step by step. First of all, the first reason, the outflow of capital from many instruments. Compared to the last year, the outflow of trading volumes really affected the market. And it really affected the mechanics of the breakouts that we got used to. After all, what is the breakout? This is a horizontal level spike with further avalanche-like activation of stop losses. The participants place stop losses below this level, accumulating the pool of liquidity below this level. The more stop losses we have here, the longer the breakout lasts. And we had quite long and very good breakouts. Less capital in the instrument means fewer participants. Fewer participants, fewer stop losses. For the most part, small capital represents participants with small and medium trading experience, and this proportion is always preserved in one way or another. Such players are very sensitive to market conditions. In a growing market, they are characterized by greed. In a stagnating and falling market, fear and uncertainty. From here, the participants are quickly fixed, making up the bulk of the breakout driver, and by fixing too quickly on such a bearish market, they just not allowing the trade, the breakout to breathe, and the price rolls back quite quickly. And finally, bearish stage of the market. We got used to long breakouts because on the background of a growing market and the euphoria and greed of the participants, the breakouts were always very good and allowed not only to load well but also to fix good profits without rollbacks. Now the bearish stage of the market is aggravated by economic factors like inflation, the world inflation, the consequences of the COVID and multilateral sanctions. Now we just have considered the three main reasons for the breakout quality decrease. What we should do? A trader must be flexible first of all. For those who have been in the market for a long time, they probably remember its cyclical nature and that such metamorphoses have occurred and will continue to occur. That is why trading only one strategy as like breakouts is not the most optimal position. Trade what works well on each phase of the market. If you are interested in figuring out exactly how to understand what is worth changing the strategy and how to do it, write about it in the comments below and we will make a new video about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel where we publish the greatest setups, new videos and very useful information. The link you will find under this video.